DEJA highway, 32 counts, 4 balls, intermediate. Wait on the left. Section 1. Make a half turn, point to the right, facing 6 o'clock. Point switches. Point and point. Cross side behind sweep. Behind side cross hold. Count section 1. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, hold 8. Section 2. Make a quarter turn, back together. Now facing 3 o'clock. Walk, walk, cha-cha forward. Step, pivot, half turn. Half turn, cha-cha back. Count section 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Section 3. Make a quarter turn, big step to the right with drag. Facing 6. Make a small jump on ball of feet. Weight on the left. Turning hip roll, total making 3/4 turn. Roll hip quarter, quarter cross. Roll hip, quarter cross. Now facing 9 o'clock. Count section 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Together, quarter big step to the side, facing 6 o'clock. Drag for 2 count. Make a quarter turn, ball step, now facing 9 o'clock. Right foot, kick, ball, step. Step lock using ball feet. Step lock, step forward, and prep for half turn. To start the dance again. Count section 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Count 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, hold 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Wall 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, hold 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.